is represented by the sign cross or asterisk in star or dot. Yes. This is one more point. Multiplication is represented by the sign cross or asterisk in symbol of star or dot. Dot means it is a small star. Example, 3 into 4 means 3 cross 4, 12. 5 star 6 equals T. Yes, star means asterisk 4 dot 4.2 equals 8. Yes, these are symbols for multiplication. This is called cross. This is called asterisk, and this one is called dot. 3 4 are 12, 5 6 are 30, and 4 2 are 8. Now we are going to learn multiplication. A number with 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, and 4-digit number. Multiply a number with 1-digit number. Two hundred and 46 into 5 in 246 multiplied with 5. In multiplication, happen from bigger number to small number. It is easy to calculate. 246 into 5. Number, 1-digit number is 5. First, we write 5 tables. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 16. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. Yes. 246 multiplied with the digit, one digit number 5. Okay, it's a 5 table. Now 5 6 are 5 6 are 30. In the 30, this is 1 10. One number right here. Now 3 is going up. Carry. Next. Next, 5 fours are 20. Yeah, carrying number is 3. Means add 3. 20 plus 3, 23. In the 23, the first digit in one place is 3. 3 right here and 2. 2 is going carry on 2. The final number 2. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus the number carrying number is 2. 10 plus 2, 12. Yes. There is no number here. Write directly 12 here only. This is the answer. 246 multiplied with 5. Answer is 1230. This is called product. Multiply a number with one digit number. This is the first method. Now we see second method. Second method is 246 into 5. Multiplication happens small digit number with large number. See here, the large number 246. For this 246, we write expanded form. Expanded form means 1, 10, 100, 200. 2 into 100, 200 plus 4 into 10, 40. 6 ones are 6 into 5. Here 1, 2, 3. We make a box. This is the 200, 40 and 6. 246 multiplied with 5. See, this box is filled up with 200. And this box is filled up with 40. Now this box filled with 6. And the multiplication with 5. 5 right here. And 5 also right here. And 5 also right here. And put the symbol of multiplication into. Now see 200 into 5. In 200 we have 2 zeros. Right? 2 zeros. 5 twos are 10. Next 40 into 5. In 40 we have only 1 zero right here. 5 fours are 20. Now the final box 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Now final step 246 into 5 equals, we have all answers from the boxes. First one is 1000, second one box answer is 200, and the final box answer is 30. See here, rough work, rough 1000, 230. All zeros, 3, 2, 1. Our final answer is 1230. This is second method. A number expanded, a number write into expanded form, finally multiply with given number 5, that is one digit number. Multiply a number with one digit number. Now we see multiply a number with two digit number. Okay, students? Yes, multiply a number with two digit number. That is, this is textbook problem. Page number 80, 96 multiply with 87. 96 multiply with 87. See here, you can write 90 into 87. In 87 we have two digits, that is 8 and 7. 8 and 7, first write 7 tables and 8 tables. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 55, 7 sixes are 42, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 20. Now, in 87, remaining digit is 8. 8 ones are 8 are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Yes. Second method. See, what is the expanded form of 96? 1 10, 9 10, 90, 6 1 6. The symbol is multiplication, and 87. This is 1, this is 10. 8 10, 80, 7 1 7. Now 90 and 6. 90 and 6. We draw boxes. Now 80 plus 7. 80 and 7. Now write this 90 in this boxes. Yes, 6. Write 6 in this boxes. 6 6. Now 80. Right here 80. 80. Here 7. Write 7 7. Now put multiplication symbol, that is cross, in between numbers. Now where you do simplify. In 90 and 80, total zeros are 2. 1 2. Now 9 8 are 72. Next 6 into 80. There are only one zero, that is in 80. 0 6 8 are 48. Now second row 90 into 7. In 90 we have only one zero, and 9 7 are 63. Now final one 6 7 are 42. Now the solution 96 into 87 equal to, we have to add all answers from all boxes, that is 7200 plus 480 plus 630 plus 42. Add this one, 7200, 480, 630 and 42. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, 2. Now this is over. Now second one, 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. 15 one is going up carry on. Right here. Now this is the third one. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 2 plus 1, 13, and put 1 here. Now final one, 7 plus 1, 8. The answer is 8352. That is multiplication of 96 into 87. This is the multiply a number with 2-digit number. This is the second method. Okay, student, now we see some more multiply with 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Two into 400, 3 into 100, 4 into 200, 5 into 600, 6 into 900, 7 into 300, 8 into 500, 9 into 700, 1 into 800. Now we see this multiplication with 100. In first problem, 2 into 400. Here total zeros are 2. Put 2 zeros here. What are the digits? 2 into 4. 2 4 is 8. In second problem, 3 into 100. Here in this problem, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Put 2 zeros here. The multiplication of digits. 3 ones are 3. Next. 4 into 200. There are only 2 zeros. Write 2 zeros here. Remaining part, the multiplication of the digits. 4 2s are 8. Now, 5 into 600. There are 2 zeros are here. That is 600. Write 2 zeros here. 5 6 are 30. Right, 30 here. Now, 6 into 900. Again 2 zeros are here. Put 2 zeros. 6 9s are 54. Now 7 into 300. Also 2 zeros are there. Put 2 zeros. Now the multiply of 2 digits, that is 7 3. 7 3s are 21. Now 8 into 500. 2 zeros again. Now the multiply of 2 digits 80 or 5. 8 5s are 40. Next 9 into 700. Again 2 zeros are there. After adding 2 zeros, the product or the multiply of 9 and 7. 9 7 is 63. Now again here 2 zeros are there in the 800. Put 2 zeros same. Multiply of the 2 digits. 1 into 1 8. 1 into 8. 1 8 is 800. Okay, so this is the multiplication with 100. It is easy to calculate. When we have zeros, we have to follow this method only. Okay, so tomorrow we discuss multiply with 3-digit number, multiply with 4-digit number. Okay, so thank you everyone.